Oil prices are now well into triple digits. After soaring past the $100 per barrel mark, prices have risen further still amid Russia's attacks on Ukraine. What does it mean for India's economy? The rule of thumb, going by the Reserve Bank of India's previous studies, suggests that for every $10 increase in the price of the Indian crude basket on an annual basis, current account deficit rises by $12.5 billion. The direct inflation impact is to the tune of 24 basis points, along with an indirect impact of 26 basis points. At the current juncture, economists fear that the current account deficit could rise between 2.5% to 3%. As far as inflation is concerned, economists believe that the RBI's already optimistic inflation estimate of inflation at 4.5% for FY23 is now subject to even further upside risks. Higher crude oil and food prices are likely to further frustrate the RBI's inflation outlook and necessitate a hawkish pivot in the middle of the year in acknowledgement of these upside risks, according to a research note by Nomura. But India is definitely in a better position now compared to the last time that oil was in triple digits back in 2014. Most importantly, India has close to $630 billion in FX reserves, which gives the RBI room to support the currency and provide strong import cover. Even so, higher oil prices come at a time when demand is still weak, and that's definitely bad news for the Indian economy. The government has some room to provide relief to the Indian consumer if it chooses to bring down taxes on oil products by a cut in excise duties. Still, a 50% pass through of higher oil prices to consumers will still mean a 30 to 50 basis points upside risk in the CPI estimate, according to Deutsche Bank. Growth risks can also rise if further fuel costs eat into disposable spending. From a growth perspective, a rally of $10 per barrel in the India crude basket can shave off 10 basis points from the annual GDP growth estimate, according to Quantico research. Stay tuned to BloombergQuint for more updates on the Indian economy.